Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial. Today we'll show you how you can make this fortune wheel in your Fortnite map by using verse and UEFN. So the first thing you'll have to do is open up your UEFN and select the map you want to have the fortune wheel in. Then we'll go to content browser, we'll add a new folder and we'll make a fortune wheel to make it a bit more organized. In this folder we'll have to add a few files. In our Discord you can find the model of the fortune wheel and also the texture. Here you can also find the PSD file if you want to edit the fortune wheel in Photoshop, and also the code. So we'll add these two into our map, then we'll have to import. Once they are uploaded, we'll make a blueprint of a static mesh. This is the thing that will actually spin the fortune wheel, so we'll call it fortune wheel blue. Open this by double clicking. In here you can drag the fortune wheel. Right now the fortune wheel is just a white color. I will change that by making a new material of the rewards. Then double click on this, and then you can here right click and add a texture sample, and then you'll have to drag this texture into it. Then just connect the RGB to the base color. You'll have to save this, and right now you'll see if you drag out the blueprint, so the blueprint, you'll see we'll have our fortune wheel. The only thing that's missing is the little arrow to indicate what you get as a reward. So we'll do that by modeling, and we'll just add a cone. Just click and then accept, and then we'll try to make it fit. Right now you see the cone is way too big, so we'll scale it down a bit. So mainly in the x-axis we'll scale it down a lot to make it a bit more flat, so like 0.05, and then we'll put the lock on and scale it in all different axes and all the other axes, and also in the height. So right now you have like a small little indicator that shows what reward you'll get. Then you have to place it right on the middle, so on the line, and then I just normally add like a white color to it, so here the default color. And then we'll go to the verse code, so we'll go to the verse explorer, we'll do add new verse file, we'll call this fortune wheel, and then create an empty one, save and select, and then you'll need this code we gave in our Discord. So you'll head over to here, double click on the fortune wheel to open the Visual Studio Code, and delete this and just add it. So basically it makes an editable of the prop wheel of the blueprint, so it can actually be spin a button and the activators. So we'll save this, close it, verse, build verse code, and after that we can go to our creative devices and add the computer in. In the computer you'll have to add the carnival wheel. This is where you add the blueprint as an editable, and then also we'll have to add a button, so we'll go to Fortnite. So the button will link, and then the wheel activator has to also be the button. And after that you can add the grant devices. First we'll launch the session and see if the blueprint already spins. Every time it spins it gives an random amount of degrees it will spin. And right now, the only thing we'll have to add is the item granter devices that gives all the correct rewards. For that, we'll just end the game right here. And then once we are in creative, I find this way easier. You can just go to the devices, go to the item granters, and then we'll add 4 of them. And my rewards are set to ice, boogie. This will also make it way easier to understand in the code. And then also the plunger and the junk rifts. Once you have placed down your 4 item granters, you can just pop the items in there. After that, we'll head back to our UEFN and we'll go to the device and select the correct item granters to the correct editables. Once you did that, you can push changes again, and then we'll see if it works. Once it's loaded, you can check if the fortune wheel works as intended. So you'll see it grants you the item every time. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and for sure check out our Discord to find the files for this project. Goodbye.